Hello, everyone. My name is Antonio Quirico, and I am going to be creating a little video here on how to fix a Pfister faucet. It's a little loose here, and I will show it to you guys. And hopefully, this will be one-person job here. See, this was installed about a year ago, and now is quite loose still, and need to be fixed. So I'll be going to the steps here, and hopefully that will be easy enough to do that. And what we're going to need here today is, of course, I need a little bucket here in case you have any water. And I will have small screwdrivers and a special tool. And this is a special tool that comes with the faucet. Next, I'm going to have to disconnect that little piece here. As you can see, this one here needs to be disconnected from here because this is going to go all the way up when I disconnect the top of the faucet. As you can see in this one here, you just push this down and pull it out. It comes right off. Now I need to undo this by unscrew here. I'm going to unscrew this from here. And also, I'm going to have to remove this weight here. It's the pull down when you let the faucet go back to normal position. As you can see, this weight here was attached to this guy here that goes into the faucet. Just got to do is just flip this up here, and opens up, and you can remove. I need to disconnect this portion here from the bottom, so they just need to be pulled out. In order for me to do that, there is a couple of things here that I need to push in so this can actually move up. As you can see here, I will move that upward, and then you got to keep pulling all the way to remove the other holes that I disconnected from the bottom. Now this is over here, and I disconnected from here, and I put it inside of the sink for now. All right, so this is out, and it's still kind of loose. I'm going to put the tool that came with it together, pull it in there. I'm going to hold the base, and we're going to tighten this up. And if I need an extra help, I can put a screwdriver right there. But it seems like I may not need the screwdriver. It's now nice and looks pretty centered to me, because it's still here, not hitting the wall and coming down. And right now that is nice and tight there, I am going to feed this back down. And push this down towards where the little pins are. And it's in place. So it rotates nicely, but the base is nice and tight. Okay. All right. So next, I'm going to put this back together. So you just screw this back on. A way to feel that it's nice and tight. And this one here is going to go all the way up to, as you can see over there, there's that piece of metal there. That's the pipe, the tube. I'm going to push this in. And then when it snaps shut and then nice and tight, it means that it's done. Okay, this will conclude the video on how to tighten the kitchen faucet again. Now it's nice and sturdy here and still rotating. And I got the water running. And let me testing the hot water and the cold water. All right, I hope you enjoy that. And it was pretty easy, not difficult. You know, one person can do that. And sometimes, you know, if you get somebody else that can help you to hold this when you tighten that up, that would be wonderful too. Thanks for watching.